Hey guys, we're opening a One Piece trading card game pack. So let's see what we get in these. If we get anything cooler than the last pack, that would be cool. So we got Oimo and Kashi, Tony Chopper, Caramel, Daddy Mascarin, Dong Duis Family, Playgrounds, IDO, Leo, Enchanting Vertigo Dance, Sasaki, Olin, and Miss Valentine. Rare. Cool. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you liked today's video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So let's put the Dawn card in a sleeve and then a top loader. Wait, is this open here? Forget. Oh yeah, there we go. It's open. And then, okay. There we go. Sealed. It's pretty cool.